took this film and I'm going to film right here, and this is kind of where I was at earlier because there was these kind of cool buildings right here. Go check out the room. Okay, I'm the content creator for this channel. If you like what I'm doing, just subscribe and then also hit the that little bell. That means you're going to get notified of other videos that I do. Kind of cool buildings right here. I always really like that one in particular. But you also have these other kind of nice balconies, and we don't really look up very often, so I kind of wanted to capture these. And also you can see the character of this one, especially the balconies. And basically this is how this other one looks when you're up there. You can see it's actually all curved. Okay. I'm just gonna walk by. And down here you can see a Times Square kind of feel. And you can feel it when you walk around that area. So, okay. And right over there, there's this kind of cool building too. I really like that one a lot. And she's doing something here, so. So we're just going to walk over on the other side. And this is kind of film a little bit today. So we're just going to keep filming. At the shrine. Throughout Macau you have these little shrines. Okay. A lot of people watching today. Okay. So this one is an entrance to Toys R Us. And I think what I want to do is go down this alley. I also wanted to I was going to show you more of the bookstore. I have a book that's in there right now, so I just dropped it off today. That was actually my goal, called Moon Over Macau. So I'll come down another time, and it's in the display center right now. So, all right. So we're going to go around the corner here. And okay, I think I'll just kind of include in one of these spots. I filmed in here a little while ago. Let's kind of take a look at something real quick. Look how aged that is. I mean, it looks so aged because it looks like it's like, but it's not. It's like taken care of on a regular basis. And you also have that too, where they put things in to contain the fire when they light it up. Okay. Yeah, Macau has a lot of pretty cool stuff, so I'd highly recommend anybody to you got a lot of people from different countries that are visiting. You have a lot of people that live here that are from around the world. Portugal, myself from the United States, Taiwan, Hong Kong, mainland China, Philippines, Indonesia, Nepal, India, Australians. I think I see more Australians than Americans. So, okay, I'm going to stop right there.